In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to a task in Smartsheet. Adding files directly to your tasks is a great way to keep everything organized in one place. Instead of digging through emails or folders to find the right document, you can attach it straight to the row or task it belongs to. Let's walk through the process step by step so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, make sure you're signed into Smartsheet and you have the sheet with your task open in grid view. Locate the specific row or task where you want to add a file. Each row usually represents a task, and on the left side of that row, you'll see a small paperclip icon. This is the attachments or file icon. Go ahead and click on that clip icon for the task you're working with. When you click it, Smartsheet will open an attachments panel or a small window, depending on your layout. This is where you'll manage all files related to that particular task. In that panel, look for the option that says Add File. Click on Add File to start the upload process. As soon as you do, Smartsheet will give you a list of possible sources. Typically, you can upload from your computer or connect to popular cloud storage services, such as your company's shared drive solution. Choose the source where your file is stored. For example, if the document is saved on your computer, select the option to upload from your device. This will open a standard file browser window where you can navigate through your folders. Find the file you want to attach, click on it, and then confirm your selection. Once you've chosen the file, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Smartsheet may show a progress bar while your file is uploading. If you're using a cloud service, you might be asked to grant access or confirm the account you're using. Just continue clicking through the prompts, confirming your choices as needed. When the upload is complete, you'll see your file listed in the attachments area for that task. From now on, let anyone with access to the sheet and that row will be able to open or download the file right from Smartsheet, keeping your task details and supporting documents neatly connected. And that's all it takes to add a file to a task in Smartsheet.